everyone, it's Camilla with Wise Agent CRM, and I'm here to show you how our lead capture form wizard works. You can create your own custom form within Wise Agent and upload that to your website so you can capture leads instantly. Continue watching this video to learn how to use our lead capture form within your website. To create a capture form within your Wise Agent account, click on the Tools drop-down menu and then on the Capture Forms option. Once you're on the Lead Capture Form wizard, you'll be able to see all of the saved forms you have in your Wise Agent account, or you can create a new form by clicking on the Add New tab. Once I've selected to add a new form, I'll be able to start by creating all of my basic information for my form. The first thing is filling out my form title. This is for your use only. This lets you identify where this form is going or lets you know the name of this specific form. So in this case, I'm creating a form for my Contact Us page on my real estate website. I'm going to give my form title the name of Contact Us. The next thing I can select is the source. The source will let me know where these leads are coming in from when they enter my Wise Agent account. So for every lead that enters their information on my Contact Us form, I want them to be tagged in Wise Agent under the source of RE Contact Us leads. Once I've entered my source name, the next step on my Basic tab is to enter the URL of the website when done. This is where I want my leads to be redirected to after they filled out their information. For instance, I could leave them to stay on that current page that they're on, or if I want them to go to another website, I would just enter in that URL and then click on the Save option. Now that I've completed all of my basic information, I'm ready to create my form fields. To build your form field, scroll up to the top and select the Fields tab. This will then bring you to a page where you can choose from your mandatory fields. Now you'll notice that the email is checked off and there isn't a way to uncheck it because it is one of the mandatory fields that are required for leads to enter in. Next, you can choose between the name, or if you wanted to fill out both first and last name, you can select that radio button. Once you've selected your mandatory field options, the next is your optional fields. So now I can select any additional information that I want to capture on my lead capture form. So from here, I want to capture a phone number and some additional comments. So I'm going to check off those boxes and then I'll move on to my custom fields. So here on the custom fields, I can create new field inputs that I want to capture lead information on. So for example, I'm going to choose to create a radio button option for any buyers that might be filling out this form. So for my label, I'm going to be putting in looking to buy. So that is what will appear on my form. It will say looking to buy. Now in Wise Agent, I want it to show me the option that this could be either a buyer or a seller. So buy/sell, so buy or sell. And then based on this radio button, if they select looking to buy, the value is buyer. Once I've created this form input, I'll go ahead and click on Save. Next, I'll want to create a form input for my sellers. So I'll click on Add New. I'll select the radio option of looking to sell. So I'll type in looking to sell as my label. So again, when a seller or any kind of lead is looking at my form, they'll see the option for looking to sell. The name lets me identify is if this is a buyer or sell. So I'm going to put buy or sell. And then the value is if they select this label of looking to sell, the value in Wise Agent lets me know that this is a seller. So I'll go ahead and put that option in, click on Save, and now I've also been added my custom fields. Now that I've filled out all of my field information for my form, I'll go ahead and click on Save. Now that you've saved your form fields, the next step is creating your design. So when we go to that design tab here, you'll be able to create a top header and a bottom header for your capture form. Now with the design, you are able to choose images that are saved in your Wise Agent image gallery, and we do have this custom toolbar that you can use to make changes to that top section and the bottom section of your capture form. Keep in mind that it is not required to create a design for your capture form because any of the capture forms you build in Wise Agent will take the design of the website that you plug them into. Next, after you've saved your design changes, you'll be able to preview your form by clicking on that preview option. This will then allow you to see all of those changes that you've made to your form, your design that you've created, all those form fields that you've added, and you can even run tests from this preview tab to see how those leads get entered into your Wise Agent account. After building your form and testing it through the preview option, your next step is going back to your saved forms in your Wise Agent account. And then from here, you're able to download your code to plug into your website. We do have these three different options. We have the HTML option, the CSS option, and then your WordPress option. This yellow icon over here to the right allows you to clone your template. And then if you wish to delete a specific form, you can click on that red triangle to delete that out of your Wise Agent account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions about our lead capture form wizard or any of our Wise Agent features, feel free to give us a call at 480-836-0345, or you can always click on the Contact Us button.